Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your WordPress login details from cPanel. First, you will need to log into your cPanel account using your hosting provider's credentials. Once inside, locate and click on the File Manager icon. This tool allows you to browse and manage all the files on your website. Next, navigate to the directory where your WordPress site is installed, which is commonly public HTML. Now that you are in your WordPress installation folder, find the file named wp-config, PHP. This file contains vital configuration settings for your WordPress site. Right-click on it and choose to edit or view. Inside this file, look for the lines that define DB name, DB user, and DB password. These three pieces of information are your WordPress database credentials, which are essential for the next steps. With your database credentials in hand, head back to your cPanel dashboard. This time, find and click on the PHP My Admin icon. This powerful tool allows you to manage your website's databases directly. Once PHP My Admin loads, select the specific WordPress database you identified from the wp-config PHP file on the left-hand side. Then, look for the table named WP Users and click on it. Inside the WP Users table, you will see a list of all registered users on your WordPress site. Find the user account for which you want to reset the password. Click the Edit button next to that user's row. In the User Pass field, delete the existing value and type in your new desired password. Crucially, select MD5 from the function drop-down menu before saving your changes. This encrypts your new password.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.